So my friends over at Glamour Nutrition sent me this care package, and we're going to open this together just to check out what's inside. I do know that there's going to be some new products from the new line in here, so let's both take a look together. So this is the first look at what Glamour Nutrition has sent. A beautiful box. Let's definitely check this out though, because I feel like it's going to look a lot better this way. Take a look at this gorgeous packaging. Beauty starts here. I absolutely love the way this came in. Let's take a look inside. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is beautiful. Okay, so first and foremost, we do have a Beauty Starts Here t-shirt. Thank you guys for that. Moving on, we do have, I'm a big fan of this, the L-carnitine. Great flavor, great product for someone that's looking for something that's caffeine free, but still in alignment with your fitness goals. We have some anti-age. Oh, this is new. Premium omega-3s. Ooh, I am excited for this because Lord knows my joints need some help. This is new as well. I love the approach of bone health. This is very, very important, especially for women. So I definitely see the value in this. And arguably one of my most favorite supplements from Glamour Nutrition is their beauty sleep. I do use this quite frequently, so I'm very happy to be getting another one of these units. Very helpful. It's a combination of several ingredients that just help you relax and ensure a full night's sleep. Moving over to this side, we have a Glamour Nutrition bottle, which is going to come very handy. This is also one of my most favorite products. We have the hair, skin, and nails, and the new collagen. Ooh. So we did change the formula a bit here. I can already tell this is going to be part of the natural series. So there was some updates and changes to the formula, but this is a great beauty supplement for anyone to take. You already naturally produce collagen, but that production declines as you age. So having a beauty supplement like this is very helpful just to keep your skin looking optimal, looking great. This packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Very girly, very feminine. I'm very excited to try. So this is the complete care package. I want to send a special thank you to Nancy for sending this over to me. I really do appreciate it. The presentation is absolutely beautiful. And I am really excited for the new natural series. So thank you guys again. I hope you guys enjoy, and please show some support for Glamour Nutrition.